The well-maintained Google's Pixel series has launched another smartphone, that is the Google Pixel 3 XL. Is it worth buying at its cost? Let's find out in this video. But before we do, make sure to hit the bell icon and never miss another update. Now you have done that, let's get started. So let's start with the specifications. The Google Pixel 3 XL is having a 6.3 inches POLED display with 1440 x 2960 pixels screen with always on display feature. It has front and back glass with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It supports dual SIM. The first one is a nano SIM and the second one is eSIM. It is IP68 dust and water resistant that can stay up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. It supports Android 9.0 Pie. It is having Snapdragon 845 chipset, that's a flagship chipset, and the GPU is Adreno 512. The storage options available are 64GB of ROM and 128GB of ROM with 4GB of RAM. It is having a single 12.2 megapixel rear shooter with f1.8 aperture, and it is having a dual 8 megapixel selfie camera. It supports fast charging and wireless charging, and the battery is a 3430 mAh lithium-ion battery. The colors available are clearly white, just black and not pink. The cost of the 64GB variant is Rs 83,000 INR and the 128GB variant is 92,000 INR. Now I'll be sharing my honest review on the Google Pixel 3 XL. The device is pretty sturdy with glass back. I personally don't like the notch design, but many people like it, so that's not a big issue. The single rear camera shoots awesome portrait shots, so nothing to worry about that. The display is great in this one, and the viewing angles are also really great. And Snapdragon 845 is a pretty decent flagship chipset. We know that the price is a little bit high, but less than the iPhone XS with more features than the iPhone XS. So as a whole, I would say it is a pretty decent device to go for, and you can go for this device without any hesitation. This was my honest review on the Google Pixel 3 XL. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more awesome technical videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.